Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to share with you today 4 recipes using a box of cake mix, and I'm going to be making bundt cakes with these. I love my bundt pan, and you know how much I love cake mix hacks. Starting out with a box of cake mix is so easy, and you can make so many awesome recipes from these little boxes. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have a ton of cake mix hacks. Go check out some of my cake mix cookies, my cake mix poke cakes, lots and lots of cake mix recipes for you. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you check out those other videos. Let me share with you these 4 cake mix hacks that are going to make bundt cakes.
This is going to be a chocolate bundt cake, and this one is probably the biggest hit of any bundt cake I've ever made. So I have Devil's Food cake mix, I have some chocolate pudding, I'm going to use 4 eggs in this, and the pudding is a 3.4 ounce package of pudding. I'm using 1 cup of sour cream, and this is going to make this so moist. I have half a cup of oil, I have 1 cup of water, and I'm going to give this a mix. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees right now, so I'm just going to mix this all up. It is amazing. This is one of my favorite bundt cakes to make. This is the bundt cake that I used to request my mom to make on my birthday when I was growing up. It's seriously so good. I'm using some mini chocolate chips, half of a cup. You can use regular chocolate chips if you would like, and just mix this into the batter. I have my bundt pan, and I'm going to spray the bundt pan with some non-stick cooking spray. Now I'm going to add all of this yummy chocolate cake mix into the bundt pan. So I'm just going to scrape out all of this batter. I'm going to add it in nice and evenly, and then kind of give it a little bit of a mix to flatten it out right here. So I'm going to bake this in the oven at 350 for about 40 to 50 minutes. Here it is, all done. It's cooled for a couple minutes. I'm going to put it on my cake stand plate. You can put on any plate you want. Flip it over. Look how awesome this is. I'm going to dust this with some powdered sugar. It is just the best combination. This cake is seriously, it's amazing. So I'm going to be doing a rum cake. I have a yellow cake mix, and I really love rum cakes. They are so fun and easy to make, and they're so delicious. I have 3.4 ounce package of vanilla pudding. I'm just going to give this a little mix before I add in the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to use 4 eggs for this, and this is a really big hit, but it does have rum in it, so if you aren't a fan of rum, then you probably want to skip on this one, but it is a huge hit to take to a function. I'm using a dark rum. I'm using 1/4 cup in the cake mix. I have half a cup of vegetable oil. I have a half a cup of water as well. Going to give this a mix all the ingredients together. This is really, really easy. If you've been around my channel, you know I love easy recipes, and these bundt cakes are really amazing. They are so fun to take to functions. They are so fun to make for your family. So if you like easy recipes as much as I do, make sure you subscribe to my channel and put a like on this video as well if you're enjoying it. I love making these videos for you each and every week. I post multiple videos a week, so make sure you subscribe. I'm adding in some chopped pecans onto the bottom of my sprayed bundt pan. I'm going to add in this rum cake mixture on top of these chopped pecans. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Once this is all ready to go in this bundt pan, I'm going to bake it for about 45 minutes, and then I will add on a rum glaze. So right before it's done cooking, I'm going to make this glaze. I'm using a stick of butter. I'm going to melt the butter in the microwave. Now that it's all melted, I am going to add in some sugar. I'm using 1 cup of sugar, and I have some more rum. I'm using 1/4 cup of rum, and I have 1/4 cup of water as well. I'm going to give this a little mix with my whisk, and then once this cake is out of the oven, here it is nice and warm, I'm going to poke a bunch of holes in this cake. I have this long skewer. You can use a toothpick if you like, or any kind of long little stick, but these are just really great little skewers. I'm going to pour half of this mixture slowly over this cake on the bottom and try and get into all those little holes. And now I'm going to lift the top up. I'm going to poke some more holes so I can really get in that rum mixture. This glaze is so, so good. This cake is super moist. So I like to make this cake the day before I'm going to serve it. It really gives the rum a chance to settle in. So I'm pouring it around nice and slowly, letting it seep in to this delicious cake. So this is a huge, huge crowd pleaser. It is so fun to take to a function. So just pouring this on nice and slowly until all this mixture is done. This is a huge, huge hit. So I'm going to make a lemon bundt cake. This is the cake mix hack of all hacks. It is 2 ingredients. I have a lemon cake mix and I have a container of lemon Greek yogurt. So it does not get any easier than this. So I'm just adding to my container of lemon yogurt. I'm adding in 1 cup of water. And this is all you need, and mix it all together. This is such a great bundt cake. I love making this in the spring and summertime. It's really refreshing, and it is just the easiest bundt cake ever. So I'm gonna spray my pan. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. So I'm gonna give this pan a good spray, and then I'm going to add in this yummy lemon mixture. So you can, when this is done, you can kind of dust this with some powdered sugar if you want. You can do it plain. It is just really, really great. So just kind of scrape out all you can of this yummy, yummy cake mixture. I'm going to bake this in the oven at 350 and it will be ready to go. Look how good this is. It does not get any easier. So I'm going to put it onto my cake plate. So I'm going to kind of flip it over and it's going to pop right out. And like I said, you can dust this with some powdered sugar. It just makes it look super pretty. And this is so good and super healthy too. All it is Greek yogurt and water in the cake mix. So you can make any kind of cake with this one, but I love this lemon one. It is so, so tasty. So I'm going to I have a yellow cake mix, and this is going to be a pumpkin bundt cake. I have a 1/4 cup of sugar. I have a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to add in a can of pumpkin. I love pumpkin in desserts. It is so good. Cooking with pumpkin is so fun. There's just so many different things that you can do with it. So I have my vanilla extract, a teaspoon. I have 3 eggs that I'm going to add in, and I have some cinnamon as well. I'm going to do about a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to give this all a nice mix, and this will be ready to go. This one is a huge hit. I love making it. It's just gets so many compliments if you take it out to a crowd, and it stays so moist with the pumpkin and just really so, so yummy. So spraying my bundt pan with my cooking spray. I'm going to add some chopped pecans to the bottom of this one. I love adding nuts or chocolate chips to the bottom of these bundt pans, and then when you flip it over when the cake is done, it just makes a really fun little topping. So I love adding that in. It is optional, but you're definitely going to want to add these chopped pecans. It really makes this dish so, so good. So I'm adding in all of the cake mix. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Once this cake mix is all in, this will be ready to bake for about 45 minutes. Add this on to my cake plate. You can use any kind of cake plate you want. I love this one that has like a little stand on it. It just makes it really fun. So look how pretty that is. I'm going to make a glaze. I have a cup of powdered sugar. I am going to use some milk. I have 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give this a little mix. Really super, super easy. Look how good this glaze is. So now I'm just going to pour it nice and slowly over the top, and it's just going to kind of drip down on the sides and on the front, and it just makes it look really pretty, but it is super delicious also. I love adding a glaze to a bundt cake. Look how pretty it is. Huge, huge hit. The inside, look, it's so moist, and it is really, really delicious. I hope that you love these bundt cakes. I loved making them and enjoying them. They're all really delicious. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Make sure you check out my other videos when you have a chance, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.